Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how to get Windows 10 for free in your PC or in your laptop. If you are using Windows 7, Windows 8 in your PC or in your laptop, you can download Windows 10 for free. So first of all, you need to open the browser. Which browser you are using, please open it. I am showing you in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and in Google Chrome type in URL download Windows 10. Now, the very first option is that download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Click on that. Now, a Microsoft page will be open and there is the option download Windows 10 update now. And the second option is that download tool now. Click on download tool now. Now, at the very left bottom corner, media creation tool.exe file is downloaded. Click on that file and hit run. When you click run, after a few minutes, you will see this option, applicable notices and license terms. Click on accept. When you click accept, it will ask you to update your PC. Click on update your PC and in other few steps, your PC will be restart. Go with every positive response, and when it restart, after that Windows 10 will be downloaded on your computer or in your laptop. So it will take a little bit time to install Windows 10, and after that when machine will be on, you can able to get Windows 10 for free on your PC or in your laptop. So that's how you can install Windows 10 or in your PC or in your laptop for free, of course. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.